up, Smiley Gang? I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to be notified whenever your girl's posting a video. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? I'm gonna take that silence. I'm telling y'all, I've been pressing for like the last 3 days, man. You listen, I want to get good content out to y'all, but other than that, you know, I just wanted it. So today's video, of course, you know by the title, is the unboxing of my new iPhone 11. So let me tell y'all the story. All right, I went to the store Friday trying to get it, but I couldn't get it, and I was like, I was mad, but I was okay. And then I went to the store Saturday, which was yesterday, and I got it, and then they didn't have purple or green. That was like my first and second colors, and then my third one was yellow. They did have yellow, so shout out to Sprint. But I'm gonna get right on to this video so I can stop talking, because I can go all day. So here is the phone. I have the regular iPhone 11. It is 64 gigabytes, and one thing I can say that I noticed is like basically like the iPhone, the Apple, those are yellow, as you can see, and then the box is kind of like, it's kind of like 3D-ish. I guess it's like, because that's pretty much how the camera feels. So I'm gonna hold on to this, but I'm gonna show y'all the box. So you can see the inside of the box, which pretty much like corresponds to what I said about the outside, about how it's a hump right there. So that's that. And then here is the phone. It has 2 cameras. People trying to joke it like it's a stove. It's not a stove. Keep calm. But yeah, so this is the phone. This color of yellow, I'm mad I can't show y'all. This color of yellow is actually like way lighter than the yellow iPhone XR. My mother has the yellow iPhone XR. So that's how I'm like, I know for a fact, but this is the phone. And then, so let me tell y'all, when I was at the phone store, the man was disrespectful. So you made me open my phone. That's fine. But you took the plastic off my phone. I was going to do this video yesterday, but my hair wasn't done. And he took the plastic off my damn phone. So this the phone. Put that over there. Okay, so in the box, you have this little pamphlet, Jiggy My Bobby. And it comes with like the hello, some Apple stickers, some papers. Oh, I never even knew it came with this. It come with this. This is for if you had to like put the SIM card in by yourself, like for people who ordered the phone to their house. Then I have the little boxy box. I really want the charger from the Max, the 11 Max. So I think I'm gonna order it because I want to see how it works. Basically, it said they charge your phone to 50% in 30 minutes. I have earphones that I don't need. I'm gonna give them to my dad because I have AirPods. And then I have a new charger, which is going into my drawer because you can never have too many Apple chargers. And now let's get on to what y'all actually really came here for. The phone. Alright, this is the iPhone 11, 64 gigabytes, like I said. Basically, one of like the main differences is obviously the camera. But another thing is the fact that they moved the Apple logo down and they took off, like, from my understanding, they been took off the words, but the only thing that was still there is iPhone. It's no longer there. And for the product red ones, I want to say they still have like product red on the back. And this is the front of the phone. Like I said, it's already set up because I've been using it for a day, and I can tell y'all like a day later I still love it. I have this screen protector on there, and I'm using this clear case just to pretty much like showcase the phone's color for the moment. This came from eBay. I'll actually be doing a video on some cases that I ordered today. So I'll be posting that today also. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to say I'm going to link it in the description because it's going to be like after this video goes up. But it's fine. So this is what the phone looks like in the case. And I mean, I'm not really like one of them good YouTubers that can show you like different camera stuffy stuff. This is just all I got. This is all I got. But I do want to say, So I want to thank anybody who stuck around to the end of this video. Listen, I know it's not like in depth because I'm not a iPhone neurologist or whatever you want to call them, but I do what I can do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stop skipping the ads. Ads pay. You go.